This is the battle everyone said it was impossible. The world's first camera comparison between the unreleased Motorola Razr Fold and the Oppo Find N6. Now you're looking at these results and wondering how I'm doing this before the Fold even hit shelves. Here's the secret. I'm using the Motorola Signature. Why? Because for the first time ever, Motorola put the exact same #1 rated signature hardware and AI processing into the Razr Fold. These aren't just similar shots. This is exactly what the Razr Fold brings to the table. On one side, we have Motorola's 50 megapixel Sony Lightyear 828 sensor with an insane f/1.6 aperture and the industry-leading 3.5-degree OIS. It is the current DxO Mark Gold standard. On the other side, the Oppo Find N6 is swinging for the fences with the massive 200 megapixel Hasselblad main sensor. It's a battle of raw resolution versus world-class stability and light intake. We're putting the Wolverine of foldables up against the reigning Signature King. We took both of these out to the Brookfield Zoo to see how they handle real-world environments. Look at these skin tones and textures. Motorola is using the Pantone validation to keep things as natural as humanly possible, while the Oppo uses the Hasselblad natural color science for a more dramatic, contrasty look. When we zoom in, the 200 megapixel sensor from the Oppo gives you incredible cropping power, but look at the low light performance in darker exhibits. Motorola's f/1.6 aperture is pulling in light where other foldables just see shadows. Same glass, same sensors, two different philosophies. Is the 200 megapixel Hasselblad enough to take the crown, or does Motorola's signature hardware prove that foldables have finally caught up to the flagship kings? I'm Foster Chambers. This is Tech A Day. This photo with the N6 at a 3x zoom with the macro mode on is a really good shot. I mean, got a lot of detail. I think the flower looks great. Very surprised at the results. The Oppo took some good pics, but unfortunately for this one, I'm going to have to give it to the Motorola. These upcoming pics with the flowers, the detail, the color, I mean, this is almost as true to the eye as what I was seeing. I mean, looking back at these, I was shocked at what I was seeing. So I am thoroughly impressed with what the Motorola is going to do, and I can honestly say that the Motorola Razr Fold will have the best camera we have ever seen on a foldable when it does hit stateside. This photo was just one of my favorites. It's absolutely gorgeous. As we go through these photos, what you're going to see is varying levels of zoom going from 3 to 6 to 10 to 20 to 30 between the two phones. And the Oppo does a admirable job. I mean, it's a great phone. It takes great pictures. Um, what I will say about both phones is once you get above, I'd say 20, especially on the Oppo, the AI kicks in and it gets real wonky. But as long as you stay below 10, you're getting a very realistic shot. And as you can see in these photos, the photos with the Motorola Razr Fold are just very detailed. I mean, it's not even a question of how much detail you're getting in those photos versus the Find N6. And again, the Find N6 is taking good photos. Those are not bad photos by any stretch of the imagination. But like these photos, between the camels, the hairs and the strands of hair, the difference, a big difference. Now these giraffes, you'll see on the Oppo Find N6, as we zoom in, the closer we get, now we're at 6. This is 6. This is 10. Now, once we go beyond this, the AI kicks in, as you can see, and now it gets wonky. And unfortunately, after this, the photos just aren't really that good. Now take a look at what these look like with the Motorola. they stay more true to the eye throughout the process. I mean, this is almost like I'm there again right now. Yeah, I mean, this is the hair, everything. This is very true to life. These are great picks. I mean, this is, like I said, these are great picks. I'm excited. Now, when we got the zebras, they were closer to us, so we didn't have to do as much zoom in. So the Oppo Find N6, these are great picks. I would say it was a draw between both phones and taking these picks. And that's the good thing about the Oppo Find N6, it can take really good photos. But you'll see once the Motorola pictures come in, there is a slight bit more detail, in these photos. But the Oppo did a great job. Yeah, these photos, they're just the hair, the strands of hair on his back. There's just more detail. The individual hairs, you can see them. I mean, things I didn't even notice. You can, even on his back, you can see the hairs. Like that detail, stuff I didn't even see. Now, these ducks here, this is a great picture. I think this is a good picture. But the Motorola just blew it out of the water, with these shots. And the final duck picture is, I think, the one that really cemented it for me. These sets of pictures on both sides are great. Decent pick. All right pick. Not bad. Another decent pick. Now, as you start zooming in, it gets worse. It just steadily gets worse, And the duck wasn't moving. I mean, it was moving a little bit, wasn't moving that much. And then as the closer you get, like I said, it's, this ain't great. Now with the Motorola, like I said, way more detail. This is great. I mean, this is a great pick, and it's moving. Look at the feathers. You can see the detail in those feathers. A little bit of AI in there, but still, that's a better pick than that one. Way better. Now, these pictures. This is not bad. Again, not bad. Wait till you see the Motorola. Way more detail. Come on now. Look at that. Look at the details in those feathers. And look at that. So, yeah. What do you think? Hey guys, man, thanks for taking a look at this with me. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? Are you as excited as I am for the Motorola Razr Fold? What do you think about the pictures? Which camera did you think had some of the better pics? And yeah, talk to you later.